Good morning, everybody. Today we are going to hopefully kind of finish up on counting atoms. I think that we should be able to finish with that today. So we're going to start with the playlist first. And while y'all are working on the playlist, I should be able to help people if they're still having problems on any of those. And so in the classroom, and I've been having some issues with the classroom this morning, but in the classroom you should see, oops, I forgot to put the heart in front, but you should see the playlist this morning. When you open it up, there's a couple of videos. It's going to tell you what formulas tell you about substances, and then you should be able to answer the questions. You should be able to watch another video and then answer the questions similar to what we did on Monday and Tuesday as well. Then there is a PhET that is similar to the Gizmo that you'll be able to complete with that. And that is all that there is to this playlist. So it is very short and sweet. If you are having any problems, though, this is the time to ask. So I want to make sure that everybody's good on this today. After you finish this, there is the mastery check for this one. And so you'll go ahead and go in and answer those questions. This one, I think, only has 8 questions. Oh, no, there's 9 questions on this one. So you'll be able to do that one fairly quickly so that I can just kind of go in and check and make sure that everybody's good on this. We will have a common assessment over these next week. Next Friday, I think, is the date that we decided. So I do want to make sure that everybody is good on counting atoms because we're going to spend next week on talking about chemical reactions. So I want to try to finish this up, and if there's any questions on this, then I can have some time to make sure that I can go over that with y'all before we start on chemical reactions. So this will give me that data that I need to be able to see who's struggling with this still. So use your T-charts that I talked about last week, and that way you can make sure that you are counting up all of the different atoms. And that should be it for today. I will, no, I don't have it open. So I will be able to help you along the way, though. So if you have questions, let me know. If you didn't finish with your common assessment corrections yesterday, then let's make sure that we get those done. I'm not going to start checking those quite yet because I know there were a couple of people that still needed to get those finished. So let's just try to get those finished up so that I can get those checked and into the grade book so that we can get your grades raised on those common assessments. And then I will try to get these grades from this week started and get those into the grade book today. As far as the counting atoms are concerned, if you forgot what we talked about on Friday, and I was trying to see if I had it open, and it doesn't look like I have that one open, but remember we did put into our journal on Friday, I gave you the notes about the counting atoms on Friday in your journal, and I asked you to fill these up so that you could see how the T-charts worked. So once you have your elements on one side and your atoms on the other side, then you just kind of fill in the blanks of which, like, say, for example, on this one, you would have Fe and Cl. And if there's no number, it's 1 Fe. And if there is a number, it's 2 Cls. If you have to do something to it, like multiply it by a coefficient, after you have it down there, then you multiply it. Or if it's in parentheses, after you have it down here with whatever's inside the parentheses, then you multiply it by whatever the number is outside of the parentheses. So you can keep track of it like that. So just a quick reminder on that. You should have those notes in your journal. Originally, it was on page 10. I did ask you to move that up to where it's right behind page 6. So it should be on your page 7 now. I just haven't done it to mine because I didn't want to mess anybody up before I moved it. because it might have messed you up if I waited or if I moved it before everybody else had a chance to update theirs. Okay, so if there are any questions, of course, be sure to ask me in class and I can help you at that time. Hopefully I'll make it all the way through the day today. So see y'all in class. Have a great one.